Hello student, welcome to online class. I am Shamdulari from LPM Public School. In this video I will tell you about the poem My Puppy Play Piano. This is the first poem of this chapter of class 5. The name of the poem is My Puppy Play Piano. It is written by Kenny Nisbet. So let's start. First we read the poem, that is, My puppy play piano. It is stranger things to see. It seemed while I was practicing, he learned by watching me. He start out on chopstick, then he learned to play some beach. It wasn't long before we knew the blues and classic rock. He also taught my kitten how they could play ducks, and then they taught guitar and drum to all my other pets. They found a band and practiced hard and traveled all around and instantly for famous for their catchy pit rock sound. They made a smash hits record, and it wasn't very long before my pets were millionaires because they wrote this song. It is a lovely poem in which he described that his puppy play piano and how he teach his other pet animals in his home to play a song. In the beginning, the poet say, My puppy play piano. It is a stranger thing to see. It is very stranger for anyone to see that a puppy is playing piano. It seemed while I was practicing, he learned by watching me. Here he said that how his puppy, by seeing, or you can say by watching the poet, while practicing the piano, by watching he is able to learn how to play piano. It seemed while I was practicing, it means he looked to the poet when he was practicing at the piano. He learned by watching me. It means he learned by watching him to play the piano. He started out chopstick, then he learned to play one beat. It wasn't long before he knew blues and classic rock. Here it is a funny thing. The poet said that his puppy play a sad songs and also a classical rocks, and he started playing with chopsticks. Now he also taught my kitten how so they could play ducks, and then they taught guitar and drum to all my other pets. Here poet said that his puppy has taught all the kitten in his home how to play ducks, and also he teach how to play guitar, drum to all the pets in his home. As we see in the picture, that is a kitten, rabbit, parrots and puppy. These all together form a band and a music group, a musical band. They formed a band and practiced hard and traveled for all. He said that they all form a band, it is a music band, and they start traveling around and they become famous by the pet rock. They have made the pet rock, and with their pet rock they famous in the area. They made the same hit record and wasn't very long before my puppet were millionaires because they wrote this song. Here he said that His pit has met the song, and now the number of pits were in millions. It means so many pits have joined to the music band to learn the music, and it became famous as the song was written by them. This is how the poet described my puppy play piano. Now let's see the question answers of these chapters. First of all, let's see the difficult words. Here first is chopstick. It means a pair of things, thin stick used for eating food, which means Johann Sebastian Bach, a German composer and musician. The blues, it means it is a type of show sad music with strong rhythm. It is a type of song music which has strong rhythm, but it is a sad music. Rock, it is a type of loud popular music played on electric guitar and drum. So these are the difficult words meaning. Now let's see question answers. First question is, match the column correctly to complete the sentence. First, the Pit's puppy, and the correct option is last one. The Pit's puppy could play the piano. Second is, the puppy started out with chopsticks. Third option is, the puppy and the kitten could play drums. Fourth option is, they touched the other pits to play guitar and drums. And the last one is, the pets become millennium by writing a song. In this way we have done. First, the option number first will match with option number E. Option number B second will match with C. Option third will match with first. Option fourth will match with second, and the last option, that is the fifth one, match with option number 4. Now let's see true false of this question number B. That is, write true or false for this statement. First one, the puppy learned to play the piano by watching the pit to do so. By watching the poet, it is poet to do so. So it is a correct, because in the beginning of the line it is given, it seemed while I was practicing, he learned by watching me. It means by seeing the poet, by watching the poet, he is able to do so. So it will be true. The second is, the kitten taught the puppy to sing does. It is wrong, because puppy has taught the kitten, not the kitten has taught the puppy. Now the third one is, the poet and his pits form a band. This is also wrong, because poet is not there. Only the puppy and his pits form the band. So it is false. The fourth option is, the Pit's band become famous. It is true, because Pitt band were famous. So option number 4 will be correct. Number 5th, the pet rock sound was very threat. It is also correct, because the sound of pet rock were very chastity. Catchy. Now first, let's revise question number B. Option number A will be true, option B will be false, option 3 will be false, and fourth one is true, and fifth is also true. So in this way we have done question number A and B. Question number C and D. will do afterward. I hope you have understood the poem and the exercise. So, thank you for the watching.